Now, guys, you know I tell you all the time, make sure you create a budget. You stay within that budget as much as you can. Pay your bills on time. Keep your credit card utilizations 10% and preferably under 5%, and it raises your credit score. Credit repair is something that you can do on your own by doing those things. But I heard Lexington Law a few years back. Check this out. I received a check that I did nothing to get. Didn't even know I was supposed to receive this check. But I'm going to tell you that if you have dealt with Lexington Law, you should be expecting a check. I don't know how far it goes back. I know the last time I dealt with Lexington Law was in 2002 or 3. They took my money, didn't do much at all. I dealt with them a little earlier in 2009 or 10. Things came off my credit report and they found their way right back on. So I'm telling you, if you paid money out to Lexington Law, it was a class action lawsuit that I got money from, because credit repair companies are not supposed to take money up front from you. They are only supposed to collect after the services you paid them to do has been done. I paid for nothing, but I got a check today.